Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. It's about 1 minute before market open. So I don't know if you saw the overnight hours, but the trend has been going down. So usually what I like to do is kind of like to highlight kind of what's been going on for the last couple hours or so. In this case, it looks to be in a channel. So before I even think about turning on my automation this morning, I'm going to wait for a breakout. The software can certainly handle up and down movements, but I'd rather not jump in unless I really have to. So market's open, and as you can see, it's starting to kind of jump around. But it's staying within the channel. So my recommendation is you stay out of this. And that's what I do. So I'm working on my 300,000 evaluation account right now. I'm running 4 contracts, 3 for entry and 1 runner, and I will be using full auto on the AutoRipper Pro. So right now, I noticed the trend overall has been down, even in the overnight hours. So I can't tell if the trend's going to continue this morning or if it's going to try to make a push up. I think it may try to be going up, as you can see here. But for right now, I'm just going to kind of wait, because right now there's nothing here that I really want to get into. Just because the volatility is actually pretty high. Yeah, see that little up and down move? And it's gonna go up again probably. Yeah, no. Well, I'll wait to take my first trade. I did get an email from a gentleman. His name is Matthew Harding, Harding. Just want to give him a shout out. He sent me an email. He's been watching my videos, and that kind of inspired him to get the software. He's actually trading live, and he's only had the software for a week, but he's trading micros. So he did start his own YouTube channel. So if you just look him up on YouTube, Matthew Harding, I'm sure he would appreciate the views and subscribers. So I'm gonna turn on my bot here. I think we're breaking out of the channel. It's in a downward move. Now I feel more comfortable about turning on my bot here. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so as what I was saying, Matthew, yesterday he posted a video. He made like $340 trading micros on the NQ, I believe, and that's actually pretty impressive. Oh wait, we're in a trade. Okay, so this is going to be moving kind of fast, I think. So if there's any stop losses or anything, we need to take those off quick, just in case the market turns on us like that. See? So we got to get rid of those. Okay, so we made a quick $300, and we're in our second trade. And look at that, it's moving really fast now. So I'm at 700. I could probably stop here, but you know, I'm gonna see if I can get one more trade. So we're up 600. Excuse me, after the bar closed. So 605. I try to go for 1,000, but when it's a crazy morning, I'll take what I can get. So we'll see. 600 would normally be within my tolerance, and I would just walk away. If it's within your tolerance, please take your money and run. Okay, that's my advice. But because I do have a bigger account, I'm trying to build it up. Profit target's 20,000, so I'm trying to at least try to get that $1,000. Okay, we're in a trade on the going up, and I was afraid of this. So sometimes you just gotta take your money and go. But we're in the stop and reverse feature. Quite a large negative. So let's see how how I get myself out of this. I think there's still a push to the bottom here, so I should be able to recover. Let's see. I think there's still enough steam to go to the bottom. Yeah, because it's hesitating. In that upward move, if you saw that, it kind of came right back down. That's a good indication that it's going to keep going. Okay, so at least we got out of that. And sometimes, I think I might just call it. Okay, see like that? Okay, we need to hit flat. Like Ninja couldn't close out the position. So you need to close those right away. Because if the market turns, it's going to look bad. It's going to be bad. So we're up to 25 and entering another trade right here. We're capturing pretty much what we had lost earlier. I think I'm gonna let go one more trade, and then I'm just gonna be done, because I think, as you can see, it's just pretty volatile right now. So I'm turning off my bot and see if there's a good opportunity to come back for just one more. See, like right here would have been a bad one, because it probably would have taken that bottom and then it would have made the move to the top. Granted, it has a stop and reverse feature, but I prefer not to use it unless I really have to. But that would have actually been a decent trade to be in, actually. It had good momentum. So first I was thinking I would just go long and maybe short on this, but because I'm thinking it's gonna go down. But you know, sometimes it's better to just leave it as both, which is what I'm gonna do. I just need to let the software do its thing, right? Once I feel I'm ready for a good entry, I'm gonna turn it back on, or I might just walk away right now. I haven't decided yet, but really, you saw me using FA mode. Market open, making a move to the top here. Let's see. I think the overall movement is down. If you were to look like a 15-minute chart or a 1 hour chart, really the overall movement's down. So even though I see this upward movement, I'm not too excited about jumping in, because I think it's going down. See, look at that. So sometimes you just kind of either take your money and run. 585, that's a perfectly good day's profit. Okay, I like to catch it on the down move like this. Remember my little sniper setup that I taught you guys in a previous video? We're below the white trend line and below the magenta trend line. This is where I like to come in. I've had great success here, and we're below the channel that we marked up earlier. If it makes that move, I'm gonna turn on my bot and take just one more trade. Here we go. Like, I want to say 7 out of 10 times this thing hits. Okay, maybe it just went above the magenta, but here we go. We're in a trade. I'm getting ready to hit flat because I don't want this to turn back on me. So I'm gonna take whatever I can get and be done. Okay, it stopped me out, but I'm gonna shut it off. It says 995, but it'll be less than that once the bar closes. Probably like 850, maybe 840, but we'll see. 885. Okay, I'll take that. 885 is a good number. Looks like it's making a push to the bottom. I'm half tempted to do one more, but you know, sometimes it's better to just stay out. So yeah, I'm thinking about it right now, but you know what, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna take off.